Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness this morning pushed back at critics of the government's management of healthcare in Jamaica. Speaking at the ceremony for the groundbreaking of the University Hospital of the West Indies Ring Road rerouting project, Holness outlined that his administration has made significant investments at health facilities across the country. My viewers and subscribers, wanna hear Andrew Holness. Andrew Holness come out now to defend the healthcare, and defend Christopher Tufton, Alright, wanna take in the video clip here because I said this man is a hell of a knock for crack. Andrew Holness is not a good man. Hear this.
Are suffering in our healthcare system. We are not oblivious to that. We know this. But it didn't start in 2016.
My viewers and subscribers, so no say Andrew Holness knows that the healthcare system is crap. But here now, him no want to take no blame. Him still a go back and him a say it never start from in 2016. Brother, you cannot come out and talk about something that happened a long time ago. So if you know that the people them must suffer Andrew Holness, and you know that they must suffer for years and you take over the country. Because you say you care about the people. Why you never do something about it then? That for sure you say you is no different from the people them that was there before. No, may I try to get my point across. Andrew Holness just know if you wind people up. Me I telling you that, my viewers and subscribers. Andrew Holness not care about nobody. Because him still coming out and blaming the people them that was there before. What kind of man are you, Andrew Holness? You say you've been through struggles. You say you understand where we the poor people go through, Andrew Holness. And then you come and defend. You come defend Christopher Tufton, the health minister, and a defend and a go on like the healthcare is all that. Wait, listen, this is the worst the healthcare ever been, Andrew Holness, and everybody know that. The people them that was there before, it did a little bit better. It get worse. It get worse, Andrew Holness. And it is just the truth. It get worse. My viewers and subscribers, this a man just get palm nerves, Because this a man, you see, no, alright, you see, me gonna make continue watch the clip. I wanna go see a big figures in talk about. Andrew Holness only care about marketing. He doesn't care about nothing else. Hear this.
And in fact, we have done more to alleviate and ameliorate the conditions of healthcare in Jamaica than any other administration before. And I can say that without fear. We acknowledge, that for 3 decades before my time, and it's my time now, we haven't built a new hospital. We acknowledge that. But who is it building the hospitals now? We acknowledge 70% of our current hospital infrastructure and equipment are deemed to be end of life or nearing end of life. That didn't just happen since 2016. It happened because previous administrations did not invest in healthcare. And now they have I'm trying to find the right word, but audacity seems to come to mind to speak on healthcare. It galls me, the level of hypocrisy, but more or not. My administration is making sizable and tangible investments to reverse this long period of underinvestment and neglect. In fact, I can, without fear of contradiction, say that my administration has embarked on the most significant program of expansion and improvement in our national healthcare infrastructure since independence. Under the health system strengthening program, we are making a substantial investment of $148 million US. And this initiative will lead to the development of 3 hospitals, St. Anne's Bay, Maypen, and Spanish Town, where we broke ground a few weeks ago. And it will also include 10 health facilities, the Greater Portmore, Old Harbour, St. Jago, St. Anne's Bay, Brownstown, Ocho Rios, Maypen East, Maypen West, Moko, and Chapelton. In 2023, Minister, I'm just taking 2023, we improved the Monique Health Center. So we're doing this, but in case people believe that we are only focused here. So in the Monique, we did the Monique Health Center, $26 million. It will benefit 32,000 patients, improve that health center. Ground was broken for the construction of a new administrative building for the St. Anne's Health Department at a cost of 400 million Jamaican dollars. The Mandeville Comprehensive Health Center in Manchester was upgraded to offer improved services and retrofitted with additional safety features to be more resilient to natural disasters. The Cambridge Health Center was renovated by the NHF at a cost of more than 60 million Jamaican dollars. It will benefit some 4,000 residents of Cambridge and its environs. Yes. A new $29 million energy efficient broiler system was installed at the Savanamar Public Hospital in Westmoreland. A US $5 million contract was signed for the implementation of the electronic health record system in the public sector. Minister Tufton spoke about that. The St. Elizabeth-based Black River Hospital was equipped with a $37 million digital retrofit. That means they changed out all their computer systems there. A mammogram machine was installed at the University Hospital of the West Indies at a cost of 47 million Jamaican dollars. The renal unit of the Kingston Public Hospital got 10 new hemodialysis machines valued at over $30 million. The UHWI received 18 patient monitors valued at $25 million. The Bustamante Children's Hospital got a new C-arm. I don't know what that is, but I guess the is that it? Oh, is that a kind of X-ray? C-arm. We'll look at it later. And a laparoscopy machine. Oh, well, machines valued at $46 million. 2 ambulances and a panel van were acquired at a cost of over $33 million to serve the parishes of St. Anne and St. Mary and Portland. The Southern Regional Health Authority received 4 retrofitted ambulances, a passenger bus and a van at a cost of $62 million. And the Linstead Public Hospital in St. Catherine and the Princess Margaret Hospital in St. Thomas got 2 new ambulances valued at $33 million. I went into this detail which I would normally go into because it is important that the public gets a sense of what the government is doing.
My viewers and subscribers, on here, Andrew Holness talk about electronical system he went put in place and all these things. You put in electronical system for registration. That's it. You put in. But really and truly, was that a priority? The priority is the equipment. A priority is the beds. You understand? Expansion. Come on, Andrew Holness, use a bit. The people them needs come first. Andrew Holness, you have to know these things. The people them needs come first. Then again, you talk about, because all me are hearing are some big figures. Will really and truly, when I really check it. You come again and you talk about ambulance. What, one ambulance costs 33 million? Which part? Where? Really? One ambulance. So you only put two ambulance you give to a hospital. So what happened to all the other hospital there? Me not understand. And me telling my viewers and subscribers, Cornwall Hospital not finished yet. You see them the big figures there? You see them the big figures there, how much money you need to come show we, Andrew Holness, because we not believe that. We not believe that them the big figure there go spend upon them the hospital there. We not believe so. Me feel like gonna take out something. And it's just the truth. Yeah, me think gonna take out something. Me not believe in your Andrew Holness. You can't trick nobody, because the only thing me see what Andrew Holness like doing is talking about marketing. Honestly, the way him talk about figures, yeah, when it come to money, I feel him profession that my viewers and subscribers. So they must say, oh, he do that and he do that. Yeah, and then you come and say people have the audacity. Them have to talk, because Cornwall Hospital, where you say you spend how much billions pan, still not finish. Still not finish. So you go all over and say you do something with. Come on, Andrew Holness, we're not idiot around here. We're not idiot. And you like going back and talk about 18 years. Brother, go away with 18 years. We don't want to hear nothing about that. You is the Prime Minister. You is the one in power right now, Andrew Holness. You need to take accountability for the things them. The things them where you do and the things them that you're not doing, and stop blame 18 years. You understand? Remember say you come, with enough self, Remember say you are the one say you've been through struggles, and you know where we go through, Andrew Holness. And we trust and believe in you, brother. And you let we done, and you feel the country, You understand me? You're not a good man. Number one, you're under investigation. You're a criminal, and it is just the truth. Yeah, and I'm not care who want vex, I'm not care who want vex, because if me say somebody what did I run a country, or did I run an area, I'm say mash up the place, and me take over. Yeah, I know what my people them I go through, because me love and care for the people them. Me I go do everything to make sure some people them all right. So Andrew Holness I care about nobody. And you see all of them figures the Andrew Holness, you need to come show away. Come in a trust you need to come out right now, come show away. Yes, you need to come show us the figures them, because you only have to say, oh, 45 million. You only have to say this a million, that the million. Really and truly, I don't believe you, brother. You have to come show this on paper. Me not trust you. My viewers and subscribers, tell me what you think and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Anyway, hear this. The parliamentary opposition is renewing its call for an audit of the rehabilitation project at Cornwall Regional Hospital in St. James to ensure accountability and efficient use of taxpayer funds. That's why I like that doctor, Dr. Alfred does say it. Listen, my viewers and subscribers, I say that man is a medical doctor, and the man him know enough. And at the right thing, him a tell Andrew Holness for do. At the right thing, because Andrew Holness can't come out and tell we anything. He can't come out and tell we say it costs 100 million when he knows say 10 million. Because he knows so the rest are for him, and he thief in cronies them. You think this is why he can't give account for the taxpayers' money. This is the reason why he cannot declare an asset. You look like you don't say what go on. Hey, mighty God of Daniel, this man Andrew Holness is a hard nut for crack. Dr. Alfred Das say he is calling for an audit of the rehabilitation project at Cornwall Regional Hospital. Hey, Dr. Alfred Das, me see you right now, brother. Me shake your hand. I same thing me say earlier, the same thing me say. Me say we need to see what is happening. We have to see it on paper. Because you say Andrew Holness, he will come out and say 100 million when he knows he 10. And you see, Andrew Holness could as well be a trillionaire right now. This is why he cannot declare asset them 3 years now. A prime minister cannot declare asset. A breach the law, and Governor General sit down and do nothing about it. And PSOJ know what Andrew Holness is doing, and they do nothing about it. Then Sister Andrew Holness is fighting against the Integrity Commission, and they do nothing about it. And when I said fighting against the Integrity Commission, I mean taking out a cabinet policy. That wasn't enough. He go and create an oversight committee and fling be a labor right in there. My viewers and subscribers, don't be fooled. Too much technology is everywhere. If you don't do no research and know say Andrew Holness is not a good man. He is not a good prime minister. Not a good prime minister, my viewers and subscribers. People, you see Andrew Holness, he can talk the talk. Yeah, and fool up the fully dunce them, but he cannot walk the walk. You understand me? We need to get rid of this man. And when I say get rid of him, we need to get rid of him. No. We need to vote for Mark Golden. We need to vote for the PNP. We need to vote for the PNP. When the car seat problem come out, it was the PNP. When the Ukraine problem with the students them, it was PNP. My viewers and subscribers, think well before make a decision. Do not vote for Andrew Holness. Andrew Holness no mean no good. He no care. Unless you no want a criminal prime minister then. You understand? Unless you no want continue to have the criminal prime minister. Christopher Tufton is not the man for health minister. Not the one for health minister. You see the whole of them people where Andrew Holness bring where they work with him, are just marketing them though. For money, for thief money. That's all. That's all. But tell me what you think, my viewers and subscribers. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Tell me if you agree with Dr. Alfred Dawes. Let me know what the headspace there. Anyway, guys, like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And a big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.
Me I practice my ex. Because I want to make sure say my part don't spoil this election day. Long time them labor right there for gone, you know. Them two uncaring, man. Make sure say my mark the ex right there, so. Because I don't want the ballot spoil. See that ex, yeah? For the teacher, them want to get them pay. You see that ex, yeah? And for the people them want dead pan hospital bench because they never have no bed. You see that ex, yeah? And for the police them want work overtime and can't get them overtime pay. Yeah, man. See that ex, yeah? And for the big salary what the politician them give themselves, and I can't give little salary to the people them. That ex right now, yeah. For the nurse them. The nurse them. If you are working long hours and can't get no pay, if you go off foreign to try to survive. You see, oh man, that ex, yeah? This is because that time they take the bulldozer and mash up the house them out of Clifton. You see that ex, yeah? And the arrogance and the dictatorship where them try to run the country under. You see one there right there, so I feel all of the disrespect where they want to come get Jamaican. I make sure I mark my ex properly. Time come for a change. Time come for a better Jamaica.